Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group image with cell in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many cells. You want to group image with cell. At first, go to the insert menu, select the shape drop down menu and select the rectangle. Then draw the shape, any cell, press and hold the shift Alt on our keyboard and draw the shape. Then go to the shape format menu, select the shape fill, choose picture, then select work of line and select a picture from our file. Then click the outline, choose no outline. You can resize the cell. We can see the image is automatically resized. Now we can see we group image with cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.